on today with my Creative Times design team project, and I made a tag for you today, so let's jump in. And I am using these pretty scallop tall tag dies, as well as the layers, which are the tall tag frame die layers. The Ginger Easter 2 set, I'm using the bunny ears and the feet. From the Ginger Easter bunnies, I'm using Happy Easter, and that goes with that Easter die right there, and so use that. Folded tag die, I am just using this and this. I'm just using this size right there. Her bows, and I want to say these are called pretty scallop bows or something like that. I'll have it linked down below, but I'm using the medium sized one as well as this here. Sweet Ginger Person, I'm using those eyes, and I want to say I used the boy and girl ginger, and I got the cheeks from there. But you know, as I told you before, that you can use the inside of the palm of the foot also for a nose. From her Ginger Kisses paper, I'm using this yellow one here. And then from the Dots, Flowers, and Solids, I'm using the blue, and then the back side of the blue. And then I also used a blue marker, but this is the tag that I created. I created another peeker. As you see, there goes the little icing from the folded tag. And I also have it up here. I was actually, just between you and I, covering up a mistake because it was kind of crooked, and I was just like, bugged me so bad, but I thought I would disguise it with the Happy Easter. And so you can't see the mistake anymore, but it was kind of slanted, and I didn't like that. But this is what I created for you. I did color up those ears myself, and you can also use paper, of course. And then you can also use like the inside of the toes for the nose, but at the time I used the smaller gingerbread cheek to create that. There goes the palm, the bottom of her heel of her foot, and I just used that for the hands. I thought it turned out so cute. So that's my tag for you this week, and I hope you like what I've created. All the links will be down below to my design team sisters, as well as my Creative Times store and everything that you need to recreate this card. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.